Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a walkthrough on the Salem 24VIEW. This is a 2025 model. This is the first time me seeing it. It just came in, so let's take a look at it. Okay guys, let's take a look at this 24VIEW. And back here's our bedroom, and we do have a camper king, custom king, and then you do have the Versatilt bed. So that's why the bed's leaning up like that. We have wardrobe over here. You have a little fold-in clothes storage and also a laundry basket. That's kind of cool. I have a couple of lights up underneath your bed or your cabinets over your bed. A little storage. Let's see what these look like. All right, it's rounded like the front of a camper. Okay, there's your bedroom. Have a sliding door. Come around to the bathroom. Corner shower with skylight. Suburban hot water on demand. Little corner cabinet there. You have some storage over here. Throw some towels on. Open storage, and then cabinet storage there. Little sink. And a little fan, little exhaust fan. Have a L couch that does open up. Jackknife style bed. Have a couple of cabinets over here. Have your thermostat, Coleman Mac AC storage, more storage. Have our electric fireplace and our TV here. And as you can see, we've got something behind there. I'll show you in a second. A good size fridge. Have a little jump box hooked up to it so it's working. Sink, 3-burner gas stove. You have an oven on this one and a microwave. A little grocery storage there or whatever you need. Looks like we have some bigger storage down below in that corner. And storage over here. Looks like you got enough room to store some stuff in the kitchen. It's pretty good. And you have some drawers right there. Nice big windows. And you have this little spot behind the door, behind the TV. You have a couple of cabinets here. You have some storage bins there. And now this piece is 2 bunk beds, which are pretty tight for little kids. Or you can take this off, and this is a desk here, and that's what this little stool here is for. So you could have a little, take that mattress up, take this mattress up, and have a desk. Do have a dimmer light here. And I forgot to mention these strip lights. I've never seen these strip lights on anything but the Salems. And they're dimmers. So you have a little dimmer switch back here. Right here. You can dim these lights. Let's go outside and look around. Okay, now for the outside, you can see I have the awning out, and it does have LED strip light there. Up front, it does have a power jack, 220-pound gas tanks, and electric stabilizer. Here's your under storage. And you can use that door over there to get the laundry that we showed you earlier, or that I showed you earlier. You have a spot for your TV here. Let's go ahead and look at the weight and the length. Dry weight 6490, total length 29 feet 11 inches. Outdoor kitchen, suburban, flat top, little Everchill refrigerator there. That's our hot water. Also electric stabilizer in the rear. You can see a gas outlet there for running a grill. Comes with a spare. That nice big window, Lippert camera ready up top. This is a 50 amp unit. We got our one slide here with our bunk windows. Black water flush on this one, and then your city connection, city water connection, and we have this outlet for gray and black, and then you have a gray outlet in the back, it looks like, for your kitchen. Okay, that's going to do it for today. Look down in the description below for more information. Also, I have some Amazon links for some products in the Amazon store, and that'll help the channel out. But hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think about this design, and we'll see you on the next one.